Craving plant-based nachos? Look no further. Here at Country Life, one of our favorite meal substitutes is our Vege Shreds. Soak them in some water and put aside for a couple of minutes. To make the salsa dip, finely chop and place 1 large onion and 5 tomatoes in a pot. Add more flavor with some fresh coriander leaves and the juice from half a lemon. Next, add 2 finely sliced green chilies and 3 garlic cloves to the mix. Top it off with a drizzle of olive oil and some salt and cook on the stovetop until it has transformed into a beautifully rich sauce. Next, place the soaked veggie shreds into a pan and add half a teaspoon of cumin, coriander, smoked paprika and 1 tablespoon of Country Life's barbecue seasoning. Take this recipe up a notch with a teaspoon of liquid smoke to add a smoky richness to the meal. Country Life's rich and creamy cheese sauce is not only easy to make but also super tasty. Now let's plate it up. Add some tortilla chips to a large plate and cover with the tomato dip. Now add the veggie shreds and drizzle the cheese sauce on top. Serve it with some red jalapeños and guacamole to truly make this a crowd pleaser. Like and follow Country Life Foods for more healthy recipes.